What's up, Scientias? I am Kyla.
And I am Kyle. We are here to provide you a new knowledge.
It's a universally accepted theory that all living things are made up of cells. Exchange of materials occurs between the cells and their environment across the cell membrane. To make this exchange as efficient as possible, some organisms have evolved specialized exchange surfaces like root hairs of the glands, alveoli of the lungs, and the nephrons of the kidneys. Hey, do you think it's so hot in here?
Yeah, it's pretty hard to breathe.
Oh, speaking of breathing, have you ever thought how air goes in and out of our body?
What do you mean?
There's a process called diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration.
Can you please elaborate it more?
Okay, if that is still hard to process, let's take a closer look to our lungs. Here in the alveoli, the gas exchange happens. The oxygen and the carbon dioxide are constantly being supplied and removed through breathing or respiration. If we're going to take a closer look at the alveoli, the cells that compose its membrane is only one cell thick. Looking at the green circle, the blue circle is the cell that makes up the lining of the blood capillary. The oxygen will diffuse at the cell membrane of the cells that lines the alveolus. From there, it will diffuse from the outside of that cell descending through the lining of the blood capillary. The oxygen will diffuse there as well until it can bind to the hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin, as we are seeing in the video. Similarly, carbon dioxide can diffuse across the cells that make up the cell membrane of the alveoli, then exit our body. Oxygen, as I said previously, is being supplied constantly, but it is also being taken away relative to the blood flow, thus constantly maintaining the concentration gradient. A concentration gradient is a difference in concentration of a substance across a space. It allows the gas exchange to continue.
Oh, that's a wholesome information. Thank you for that. By the way, can you please come outside with me? I'm just going to wash my hands.
Your fingers look like a prune.
That's because of osmosis.
What is osmosis?
Osmosis is the movement of water across a membrane from an area of high solute concentration to an area of low solute concentration. When you are washing your hands for too long, your skin on your fingers absorbs water and gets swollen or bloated that results to all wrinkled or pruned fingers.